Tony's Tech Tip Tuesday. What's poppin', mother suckers? Ow! Welcome to another episode of Tony's Tech Tip Tuesday. And I'm talking LS today. Well, I talk LS a lot, but hey, we're gonna keep this boat rolling, baby. So on today's episode, if you are removing your cylinder heads for any reason, cam upgrade, you blew a head gasket, or anything, I just want to show you guys the proper way to clean out the cylinder threads on the engine before you do those upgrades. So, bam! Oh, where my light at? Give me my light. There we go. So, when you're removing the cylinder heads, I know it looked like a bunch of Clorox Kleenexes right here. Things look like a bunch of tampons. So, anytime you want to remove the cylinder heads for any reason, you see these guys right here? All these here, oh, there we go. Here, all these holes on the block. You want to clean them britches. The britches is dirty. They've been standing on the block. They need to be cleaned. So what you do is you take these tools here, thread chasers. You can, ARP sells them. Summit has them on their website. You can probably get them at your local automotive store. But what you want to do is you want to first you want to blow any like coolant that goes into these threads out. I blocked off the coolant passages with these towels so that like oil or freaking rocks or debris can't get in there. That's what I did first. And then what you want to do is you want to take that same compressed air. If you have one of these handy dandy air chucks with an air compressor in your garage, you can use that. If you don't, I got you, baby. I got you. I got you. You can use one of these. You can use air in a can. And what you want to do is you want to just go in each cylinder, one by one, and blow out any coolant. Because what happens is if you leave coolant inside, where my light at? If you leave coolant inside those threads, inside the engine, when you go to put the heads back on and you torque everything down, when you twerk everything back down, you can crack the block because that coolant doesn't have anywhere to go. It's chilling. It's inside the club, getting hot, getting stanky. So now, with all seriousness, you can crack the block. So what you want to do is use compressed air first. Clean all these. Get my light right. Clean all these threads out. And what you're doing is, I pre-cleaned these already, but you're just gonna keep blowing these thread holes out until, see that? You don't see any coolant, any liquid coming out of these holes. And then once you do that, you can take a paper towel. I've used this one already. That thing got some miles on it. Ooh, oh yeah. That thing got that sugar booger. But what you want to do is then you take your paper towel, you can roll it up, and then you can use like a screwdriver or any type of flat tool, screwdriver. And then you just want to press this inside of that hole and then twirl it around a little bit, bring it out. And then, the towel looked like this. So I did each hole at least 3 times, right? And to get all of the any excess debris out. Then I go in, bam, with the thread chaser, right? And I do this about 3 times. So what I'll do is, I'll demonstrate right now. I'll go in. I haven't cleaned this one yet. So, lucky you guys, you got the front view. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, oh man. Oh shoot, it's going down. Oh, we're gonna go all the way in, all the way down. It's going down. Meet me in the club. It's going down. I got an Ellis motor. It's going down. Okay. As soon as you feel it get tight, you just want to do like a small turn about like that, and then back it out. You'll back it all the way out, and then we're gonna get a nice little surprise. Come on, baby. Oh, girl, look at that. Can y'all see that? Yep. So if you can look, there we go. Come on, camera. There we go. Now you can see that lubricant on this thread chaser. So what you want to do is clean off all that gunk. You like my model hands? So you want to clean all this gunk off with your paper towel, right? Just clean it off. Clean it off. And then you're gonna go back in. I did each, it probably took like 3 times each thread hole for me to get all of them clean. But that's what it takes. And that's what you want to do so that you don't crack your block. You know, if you from the block, you don't want to crack the block. I'm telling you, you'll never be allowed back. So that's what you want to do. And then after all that is done, you might want to go back in there with a little more air. If you have a camera, if you have like a little camera tool, so you can go in each thread hole to make sure that it's dry, make sure there's no more debris, use that. If not, just spray that bridge. Spray that bridge though, spraying. and that's it. And then you're ready to put your head gaskets, your heads, whatever else you took off, you can throw it back on safely with a good, clear mind. So, just had to share that information with you, mother suckers. I'll see you britches on the next episode of Tony's Tech Tip Tuesday.